everyone. So today I will demonstrate Warrior 2, Reverse Warrior, and Warrior Variation within the LYT Yoga method. So here we go. Coming into left Warrior 2. So notice how shortened my Warrior 2 is. And I invite you to shorten your Warrior 2 as well. And the reason being, it allows you to maintain a neutral pelvis, a neutral spine, aligning your head over your shoulders, over your hips, all while coming from a place of strength and stability, as opposed to collapsing and sinking. So hug your sit bones towards each other. The left sit bone is right underneath you, right glute activated, right leg is strong, and right foot is pressing down. Now maintain that and take the base of your palms onto your frontal hip points, your ASIS. Point your fingertips towards your pubic bone and your thumbs towards your belly button. And notice, are your hands and your pelvis all on one plane? Or is the pubic bone dipping down and back, creating an anterior tilt? Or is it scooping up and forward, creating a posterior tilt? Are you sinking into the back hip or the front hip? So find that center, that neutrality. Hug the sit bones in towards each other. Reach the arms out. Now notice when you reach the arms out, do your ribs pop? Bring your hands onto your ribs and go, ha! And feel how that draws the ribs together and down. Keep the belly drawing in and up and maintain that corseted feeling as you reach the arms out. Now in the LYT Yoga method, we don't look to the front of the mat in Warrior 2, we keep our focus forward. Reverse Warrior. Right hand on top of the right thigh, flip the left palm up and reach the left arm up by your ear, reaching it up to the ceiling. Now a lot of times you will be cued, or you will notice that some people do Reverse Warrior in a back bend shape. The LYT Reverse Warrior is a side bend lateral flexion. So reach the left arm up. Let the left shoulder blade, the left scapula, upwardly rotate while maintaining those left ribs. Take a deep breath in and exhale, lift up and over, sliding the right hand down. Let the right ear fall to the right shoulder. Now notice I'm not lifting my chin and turning my neck underneath my arm. Chin stays neutral and the right ear releases. Now I'm lifting up into the left ribs here and into the right ribs. Inhale back up to Warrior 2. Exhale, Warrior Variation. Left forearm on top of the left thigh. If you have a shoulder issue and aren't able to flip the palm and reach it up and over your ear, you may slice it in front to the front of the mat. Now, Warrior Variation is not a sinking and a collapsing. It's also not extended side angle pose. It is also a side bend. So you're going to lift up. So I'm as if someone's punching me under my left ribs and lifting me up into my right ribs. My left ear releases to my left shoulder. So again, I'm not looking up and torquing my neck, letting the right side of my neck stretch. Inhale, Warrior 2. So let's take that in a flow. Exhale, lifting up and side bend to the right for Reverse Warrior. Keeping everything drawing into midline. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, lift up and over for Warrior Variation. Inhale, Warrior 2. Let's try that on the right side. Parallel your feet, turn the right foot out, bend the right knee. Now right sit bone is right underneath you. Left glute on, left leg strong, left foot planted. Hug the sit bones in towards each other. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lifting up and over, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2, hugging everything in. Exhale, Warrior Variation, up and over. Relax the shoulder, the right shoulder. Inhale, up. Exhale, straighten the legs and bring the legs in. So I would love to hear how that feels for you. And we don't do a lot of lateral flexion, side bending in life. And we get really stuck in our thoracic region, our thoracic spine, and our rib cage. And not only does that affect movement, it affects your breath. So give that a try and have an amazing day. Namaste, my friends.